you can't just write JavaScript code like this. You can see that it's even white. That means it does not have any meaning. Why? Because JavaScript code can only work inside JavaScript tag. So like this, JavaScript, that's it. So inside script tag, it can only work inside script tag. So after you declare your script tag like this, fine, you can now put your JavaScript code, it will work. And this type JavaScript like this is not a must. You can leave it like this. It's the same thing. So let's check it. You can see it's still showing 11. So that is a simple way to echo or to show something in JavaScript. Let's now try the second way. You may use window, sorry, document.write 4 plus 6. Let's see how this one will work. You can see that it writes it inside our document. That is document.write. That's another way you can output something. Maybe you've been doing calculator, you now want to display your results. You can just put document.write. It will display your results. Okay, so what is another way to do it is that our document dot and get element by id dot inner html. So that's another way we can do that. So this is it. Now this is our paragraph. Let's give it id demo. So in my JavaScript code, you can just put dot get element by id. What's the name? Demo dot inner html equals to. So inside this demo, this one, so what we have inside will be replaced now to what? Maybe it's this plus this. Anything you like right there. You can see 11 plus this 95. Now the question is this: before I put double quotes in my strings, but you know that double quotes like this, anything you write inside these quotes will be treated as string. But if you are dealing with number, do not put any quotes. Being single quote or double quote, do not put it there. So your number is number, just write it direct number, like plus this or times this, something like this. You can see. So if I put, let's check whether it will work well. If I put quotes like this, you can see they just bring what I have inside my quotes. And the last way to echo something is using log. That's the console.log. Let's use this plus this. So it does not show this plus this. So now why it's not showing is that this is console. It's meant for we are using it for debugging. So it is meant for console. How can you not get to let's refresh it. How can you not get to console in your browser, any browser you are using? In this place, I can get to console. Let me right click under Chrome, click on inspect. So this is my console. I click on console. You can see that this is my 12. Again, let me change this to this and this. Refresh. Is 135. You can add more like this. Press enter. You see 74. So this place is called console. So we will just write into our console. So that is the name of this console.log. Alright, now let's deal with syntax. Now JavaScript syntax is a set of rules how JavaScript program can be constructed. So and let's have this simple example of using JavaScript syntax. you have to understand that JavaScript is a programming language and its statements can be separated with semicolons, but it's not a must. It's not a must. Now let's declare like two variables and see how we can assign values into it. So var variable. So you write var variable x. Let me declare another one, comma y. So I declare two variables like that. You terminate, but that termination is not a must. So for my x, I want to put 5 there or 4. For my y, I want to put 7 there. So that means I create a temporary storage. That's variable. You see, variable, a temporary storage. So the first storage is called x, the second storage is called y. So that my first storage, I put 4 inside. That my y storage, I put 7 inside. I think if I want to call upon x, 4 will come out. If I want to call upon y, 7 will come out. Let's see. Now let's use document this time. Document dot write x 4 comes out because 4 is inside it. Y, what will come out? 7. I can now write x times y. What will come out? 28. Okay. So it's simple. Now, if I don't terminate, what will happen? Nothing happens. But it's okay to terminate in case you want to have multiple statements on a single line. What I mean by multiple statement is this. I have it like this. Can I put it like this? Can I put it like this? That is not possible. But if I put terminate here on a straight line, let's terminate this one. Let's see how it will look like. It works. What if I not terminate here? I don't terminate here. I don't terminate here. So let's see. It does not work. So it is better is either you terminate, or if you don't want to terminate, you can just be coming to the next line. So that this one is safer now. So it's either you come to the next line or you terminate. You can still terminate and come to the next line. It's still okay. It will look your code neat. And understand that JavaScript programs are executed by the web browser. So, and JavaScript statements are composed of values, which is this value, operators. So any operator I want to use, expressions. So the way you want to use your variables, keywords, the keywords used, and the comments. So this is how you comment. This is multi-line comment, maybe blah, something like this, something like this. So this is called multiple line, that multi-line comments. What about single line? You just write it on a single line like this. If you come to next line and write it, see, it does not capture the comment. So this is single line comment. If your comment, you know that your comment is too many, or you want to write long sentence, you can just write it like this, multiple one. You can see when I come to the next line, see going, then you terminate it like this. Okay. So don't forget that your number, you can write it in decimal or with no decimal. You still accept that. With decimal or with no decimal, it will accept that. And our operators, no, we used only one operator here, so which is times. Let me declare another variable for you so that next time you know how to declare variable. Var x. So that means I declare this variable x, var y. You can see that I separate them, var z. So I have 3 variables. So you can declare variable like this. So you can declare variable like this, or you join them together, x, y.